This is a quick look at the Microsoft Surface 9 Pro, the Intel version, the Core i5, 256 gig SSD, and 8 gig RAM. This has the 13-inch screen. Typical Microsoft Surface packaging. Well, it looks like they changed a little bit. Instead of plastic, there is just a paper cover on top of the screen now. And here is the keyboard, signature keyboard with the slim pen too. Less plastic inside the package. That's the thing I'm noticing. Let me get it set up and I'll run some quick benchmarks. So I ran some benchmarks using my favorite tool, the performance test, and the CPU came in at 19,665. Interestingly, this is about 25% higher than the average benchmark for this CPU, which is a Core 5 12th generation U series. Now, I also looked up the disk. It's a Samsung PCI Express Generation 3, actually, unfortunately. You can buy it on Amazon for $20, the 256 gigabyte one. The drive performance is here. Nothing to write home about, but as expected from third generation one. Now this benchmark is with the default power plan and the power adapter connected. Let's run it one more without the power plug disconnected. So that's the CPU, the Core i5 1235U on the Surface Pro 9. Let me disconnect the power adapter and run the CPU test one more time. Okay, so with the power adapter disconnected, the test results for the CPU came in at 1098. So that is about 25% less. No surprises there, I guess. Hi there. Thanks for watching.